Welcome back to the Barkha Cholani channel. I hope all of you watching are safe and well.
Yes, a makeover. And I thought maybe I'd do something different for this episode and maybe a few more forthcoming episodes as well. This episode is about a request someone made. So if you also want to make any requests, please feel free to write to me at barkha@barkhacholani.com. A client of mine who follows me regularly on the channel sent in an email requesting that I answer this question for her. She wrote, "Hi Barkha, I've been trying to do many different things during this pandemic. 5 months and I seem to be struggling and not being able to accomplish anything. I start something and give it up. I'm not able to be consistent. Could you help me and answer on your video what is the reason people falter? Why are they finding it so hard to stay on the path that they choose?" I smiled as I read because I have also been a victim of that, as I'm sure it resonates with some of you as well. I just drew up 3 possible causes that usually people fall off by the wayside and are not able to maintain a consistency in whatever they choose. Point 1. Many a time you will see that the choices are made without too much thought. We have an unfortunate tendency to imitate and to copy. So if a friend starts, for example, a yoga class and kind of talks to us about it, we also put our hands up and in enthusiasm of the moment say, we are also going to come. We go maybe for a few classes and then drop out. Somebody suggests a book and we also, intrigued by what the book's contents may be, start to read it. But within the first couple of chapters, give it up. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? So, why are we such great starters and such poor finishers? Possible reason is that we don't think through our choices. We blindly copy, we imitate. We have not decided for ourselves whether we want to do what we are trying to do. The operative word is we want to do it. Do we want to do it, or are we just carried away in the thrill of the moment to just follow what someone else is doing? So you need to ask yourself, if you're falling by the wayside and are not being able to maintain a consistency in whatever path or program you've chosen, probably that program is not something you're really sold on. Point 2. Suppose you answer and say, "No, Varkha, this is the choice I made. I did it in a very thoughtful manner. It is absolutely something I want to do." Then what may be the reason that usually comes in your way, or my way for that matter? If I decide to read, why is it so easy for me to switch to Netflix? If I decide to go on a diet, why is it so easy for me to gorge on that dessert? Because at the basis of all behavior is attitude. The attitude that I must get what I want easily, without effort, without struggle, without sacrifice. And this attitude, the idea of ease and comfort, is usually what trips us in maintaining consistency in whatever we choose. So if you are a victim of this ideology, I must get things without struggle and effort, I must get things easily, things must not be so hard, you will usually find yourself copping out and veering off the path, because it is much, much easier to look for things for comfort and ease rather than to look for things which require a struggle and some sacrifice. Point 3. Let's assume you answer, "So it's my chosen path and I have the philosophy that I'm willing to struggle and suffer." Why then is it hard for you to maintain your path? B.F. Skinner, the great behaviorist, did an experiment with children where he used a teaching machine. A teaching machine taught children spellings. As the child was learning, he or she got reinforcement about the fact whether his spelling was right or wrong. So when the child wrote the correct spelling, a green light lit up. And when the child wrote an incorrect spelling, a red light lit up. Reinforcement, immediate reinforcement, is something which drives humans. And unfortunately, when you and I are on a diet, we give up that preferred dessert. We can't see the results of it immediately. And when I'm reading a book and trying to gain knowledge, I may realize that as I read, my knowledge is not that superior or supreme. If you want to maintain the path of consistency, look for reinforcements in the immediate term. That means sometimes you may have to take on a buddy who motivates and inspires you and constantly reinforces you when you've been able to resist that temptation of giving into the dessert. You may need to reward yourself when you've, say, promised yourself that you would read a chapter on a particular day. Give yourself rewards like maybe watching a favorite TV show, listening to your best music, going out for a meal, anything that is rewarding for you, because reinforcement facilitates behavior. So, if you need to do a brief summary, choose what you know and what you want, not what others want. 2. Do not fall prey to the idea of ease and comfort. Anything that is worth striving for is going to be hard, sometimes extremely hard. Learn the ideology of sacrifice and sufferance. It is difficult, but it is not that difficult. And look for reinforcements. Look for reinforcements in the immediate present. Take on someone who will motivate you, inspire you, and continue to push you to achieve what it is that you set out for. I think if you keep these 3 facets in mind, consistency will usually be your companion. I'm happy to answer any questions that any of you may have. Please feel free to write to me, because I think with my revamp of my style now, I also want to revamp my channel. Thank you. Stay well, stay safe, stay happy. Till next week, it's goodbye and take care.